A watched pot never boils. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. A watched pot never boils is a proverb that has been passed down through generations, teaching us a valuable lesson about patience and the futility of constantly waiting for something to happen. This video has shed light on the meaning behind this age-old saying and has demonstrated its relevance in our daily lives. Now let's explore how we can effectively apply this proverb to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and achieve success. We must understand that constantly obsessing over a desired outcome does not make it materialize any faster. Instead, we should focus on taking meaningful actions and trusting the process. By diverting our attention from the pot and immersing ourselves in productive endeavors, we create an environment conducive to growth and progress. Patience becomes our virtue, and we learn to accept that some things take time. With this mindset, we can navigate challenges with resilience and determination. Remember, success rarely comes overnight, but with consistent effort and a steady belief in our abilities, we can create our luck. So let's break free from the trap of watching and waiting, and instead embark on the journey towards our dreams, knowing that in due time, our pot will indeed boil. A watched pot never boils, but an unwatched pot doesn't boil without purpose either. It is the combination of patience and action that leads to success. By immersing ourselves in tasks that contribute to our goals and trusting the process, we create the conditions necessary for progress. A watched pot is a metaphorical representation of our fixation on a desired outcome, but by focusing solely on the pot, we miss out on the opportunities and growth that lie beyond it. To truly succeed, we must break free from the confines of waiting and instead take proactive steps towards our dreams. This means embracing uncertainty, learning from failures, and adapting our strategies along the way. Remember, success is not just about achieving a specific result. It's about the journey and the lessons learned along the way. So let us not be content with watching the pot, but rather let us take charge of our own destinies, embracing patience and action to bring our dreams to fruition. A watched pot never boils, but an unwatched pot doesn't boil without purpose either. Patience and action are the key ingredients to achieving success in any endeavor. We must have faith in the process and trust that our efforts will yield results. Through perseverance and determination, we can overcome obstacles and turn our dreams into reality. So let us continue on our journey, knowing that with patience and a steadfast belief in ourselves, our pot will eventually come to a boil. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.